Welcome back. In this video, we want to talk about how to find the domain of this fantastic question. This is a square root function that has a rational function as one of its inside function, that is the inner function. And we all know that to find the domain of a square root function, it implies that what is inside here must be what? Greater than or equal to what? 0. So going further with that, we have it as x plus 4 over x minus 3 must be greater than 0. At this point, I know many of us want to cross multiply, but it is not right to cross multiply here. So what do? We multiply both sides of the equation by the square of the denominator. So that will now be x plus 4 over x minus 3 multiply by, or let me use this, multiply by x minus 3 raised to power 2 greater than 0. Anything you multiply by 0 is still what? Is still 0. So from here, this, we take care of this, then we have it as x plus 4 over x minus 3 greater than 0. Now from here, what is the next thing for us to do? The next thing for us to do is to solve this. Actually, I'm going to solve this in two ways. The first method that I'm going to use is called the interval method. The interval method. Alright, so I have it as x plus 4, x minus 3 greater than 0. I'm going to draw my interval. This is infinity, this is minus infinity, this is 3, and this is minus 4. How do I get that? I equate them to 0. So from there, let's pick a number between 3 and infinity. Let's say you pick 100. Insert x to be 100. This side will give you a positive answer, and that will be plus. Check this one too. Let's say you pick minus 10. Insert minus 10 here. Minus 10 plus 4. That will give us what? Minus 6. Minus 10 minus 3. That will give us what? Minus 13. Now, minus 6 times minus 13. That will give us a what? A positive answer. That we have plus here. Now, between minus 4 and 3, let's pick 2 as the number. If you insert 2 here, 2 plus 4, that will give us 6. If you insert 2 here, 2 minus 3, that will give us what? Minus 1. So if you multiply them together, you have what? Negative. Now, because we are having greater than or equal to here, it means that we only need the region of what? The region of plus and the region of what? The region of plus here. We don't need this negative region. So what is here is minus infinity to minus 4 union 3 to what? Infinity. And how do I write this in equality, or in a sense of greater than or equal to? Now look at this. What is here? It implies that every number here is lesser than what? Is lesser than minus 4. Sorry, this is supposed to be a closed interval. This is supposed to be a closed interval. Thank you. This is supposed to be a closed interval. Yes. Now, what is here implies that what? Every number here is what? Lesser than what? Minus 4. So that would be s less than or equal to what? Minus 4, comma. Every number that is here implies that what? S is also what? Lesser than what? Minus. Sorry, S is greater than what? Than 3. Every number that is here implies that what? They are lesser than minus 4, and every number that is here is what? Greater than 3. So that would be S greater than or equal to what? 3. Why do you have or equal to? Because it is a what? A closed interval. And the domain of this, the domain will now be s less than or equal to minus 4, comma, s greater than 3. You cannot combine the two inequality together, actually. But that is the domain. Now, the second method will be done in the next video. If you want to see the second method, you can comment below, then I'll give you the next method. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.